Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have a pontoon boat rebuild. The owner is looking to make this into a barge to use when removing and installing piers. Well, let's put some of the Flitz products to the test on these nasty worn out tunes. First up, let's take out the Flitz calcium lime rust remover and get some of this garbage off. Well, it looks like it's doing the trick and it's prepping that surface for step number 2. Now let's grab out the can of Flitz paste polish and apply it on. No time to waste, let's get out the Flitz extra large buff ball and go to town and save some elbow grease. Wow, look at that, it's coming back to life. We sure don't want it looking the way it did before, so let's grab out the Flitz ceramic sealant and protect it. Look at that, the water's just sheeting and beating up. Well, there you have it. Will it shine? You make the call. Remember, when it comes time to polishing and protecting your finishes, Flitz it.